Look up at the night sky. For thousands of years, humanity has stared at one glowing companion, the moon. It shapes our oceans, our calendars, our myths, and even our sleep. But what if, one night you looked up and saw not one, but two moons staring back, two eyes in the sky, pulling the oceans, rewriting myths, reshaping our history? Would life thrive? Would it collapse? Or would Earth itself never have been the same? Stay with me, because today, we're diving into the science, the mystery, and the hidden history of what life would be like if Earth had not one but two moons. If this fascinates you already, subscribe and turn on notifications, because what you're about to hear might just change how you look at the night sky forever. Why does this question matter? The moon is not just decoration. It stabilizes Earth's tilt, gives us tides and lights the night. Without it, life might not have evolved as we know it. Adding a second moon isn't just extra scenery. It changes physics, biology, and history. Human culture has seen entire civilizations build calendars by the moon. Double moons could mean double calendars, double myths, and possibly double chaos. The moon is our cosmic metronome. Add another drumbeat and the rhythm of Earth itself changes. In a world where two moons grace the night sky, the first scenario presents a small second moon, reminiscent of Mars's Deimos, measuring about 10 kilometers wide. The main moon shines brightly, while its little sister casts a subtle glow, creating peculiar tidal patterns and faster cycles above. Fishermen puzzled by these strange tides spin tales of the little sister, who influences the sea, inspiring storytellers and mystics alike. In the second scenario, a magnificent twin moon mirrors the size of the Earth's moon, yet orbits further away, exerting a powerful double gravitational pull. This leads to the phenomenon of supertides that crash upon the shores twice each month, affecting the rhythm of life on Earth. With calendars becoming more complex, cultural tales emerge of twin gods or two lovers as people align their wars and rituals with the contrasting phases of the red moon and the silver moon, shaping a world steeped in myth and wonder. Scenario C, a close, bright companion. Smaller but much closer, appears as bright as or brighter than the moon. Effects: powerful, local tides, unpredictable ocean cycles. Earth's crust tugged more, maybe more earthquakes, volcanoes. Night sky permanently brighter, harder to sleep, animals' cycles disrupted. Culture the nearest sister worshipped is powerful but dangerous. Constant double shadows at night, art filled with glowing skies. The physics of tides reveals the intricate effects of gravity and orbits, especially when two moons exert their influence on Earth, leading to chaotic and complex patterns in our oceans. Coastal life has adapted uniquely to these tidal fluctuations, while humans often choose to settle further inland seeking stability, away from the tumultuous shores. The interaction between two moons creates intriguing orbital stability, but it also poses risks. Sometimes their gravitational tugs lead to collisions, resulting in spectacular debris rings in orbit. The mystery of double lunar eclipses captivates our imagination, as the overlapping shadows create mesmerizing dances of light across the surface of our world. As tides surge and recede, the ocean's rhythm reflects the gravitational ballet of the moons above, prompting scientists to explore how these celestial dynamics shape our coastal ecosystems. Climate changes dramatically as Earth's rotation begins to shift. Larger tidal heating increases volcanic activity around the globe, sending ash and lava into the atmosphere. The intensified mixing of oceans leads to varying climate systems that transform familiar weather patterns. As days shorten rapidly, we might find ourselves experiencing only 20-hour days. With an unusual axial tilt, the presence of two moons may provide stability, or could throw the planet into chaos, a mysterious duality that challenges our understanding of balance. As the planet's climate shifts, scientists scramble to understand the implications of this new normal. Some areas are battered by fierce storms, while others suffer unprecedented droughts. In laboratories, researchers analyze volcanic samples, trying to unravel the connection between seismic activity and climate chaos. The world stands at the brink with each passing day, revealing the consequences of two moons orbiting Earth, a potential protector or harbinger of turmoil. As the world awakens under the glow of two bright moons, life takes on a new rhythm, where predators thrive in the darkness and prey fights for survival. Plants begin to adapt to this peculiar pattern, bending towards the luminous glow as humans find themselves more active at night, possibly altering their evolution. Navigators use the double moons to guide their calendars' voyages and agricultural endeavors, while whispers of mythological creatures like werewolves and vampires begin to weave into the fabric of society. Under the shimmering light of the dual moons, ancient navigators huddle around a vibrant fire poring over star maps and moon phases that shape their journeys ahead. In nearby villages, communities unite under the nightly sky, exchanging legends of mysterious beings that may inhabit the darkness, forging a bond between human existence and the fantastical. Religion and culture might look nothing like ours today. The sky shapes the story, and with two moons we'd be telling a very different story. The myths told of twin sisters and twin gods engage in an eternal rivalry as each culture shapes their narrative around these celestial beings. Calendars split civilizations. Wars fought under different moons show how deeply intertwined history is with celestial phenomena. This powerful alignment influences not only astrology, but also the course of history itself, weaving together the fabric of myths, culture, and our understanding of the cosmos. As these dual moons rise, they guide storytellers and scholars alike, crafting narratives that intertwine myth, culture, and the uncharted realms of history. In this shared reverence for the dual moons, we witness a convergence of various cultures, each honoring their myths and histories, telling stories that transcend time. In a world where the skies tell stories, the phenomenon of double eclipses captivates all who gaze upwards as one moon covers the radiant sun, while another hangs close, watching in silence. The air thickens with a mix of awe and trepidation as observers witness the lunar crossings where moons eclipse one another, painting the heavens in shades of crimson, evoking emotions that linger long after the celestial show. As the double eclipse unfolds, people gather in droves, their eyes fixed on the heavens, captivated by the extraordinary moment. The landscape transforms into a theater of shadows with ancient trees standing guard as the sky turns blood red, an ephemeral masterpiece that stirs the imagination and whispers tales of the cosmos. Orbital chaos over millions of years leads to fascinating transformations. Imagine moons colliding, creating massive debris that results in Earth gaining a stunning ring system, or perhaps one moon escapes, giving rise to new myths about the lost sister. Living under a sky with two moons would completely change everything: the oceans, the nights, and the stories we tell. Awe-inspiring wonders would coexist with palpable fear, but there's one truth that remains constant: the cosmos shapes our existence. Sometimes a single change in the sky can alter everything on Earth. So what do you think? Would you want to live under a sky of two moons? Comment below. I'll be reading them all. If this journey expanded your imagination, subscribe now, hit like, and share this video with someone who loves to wonder. The night sky may hold more mysteries than we dare to dream. As night falls, the countryside transforms under the watchful gaze of two luminescent moons, providing an enchanting glow that illuminates fields and the cozy farmhouse. In this serene setting, a gathering of friends huddles around a flickering campfire, their faces reflecting fascination as they share stories inspired by the incredible sight above. The two moons inspire not only awe, but also ignite conversations about the mysteries of existence and the vastness of the universe.